I remember the first time I rode a motorcycle. In fact, it's one of the clearest memories of my childhood that I have. It was a cold morning, and I was 6 years old. I remember my father taking me down to an empty football field. The smell of petrol as it was filled into the small 50cc motorcycle. I remember seeing my father's motocross trophies lined on the shelves of my childhood home. We would sit together and watch videos of Jeremy McGrath, Ricky Carmichael, Kevin Windham. And I remember wanting to be just like them. That first time, that 6-year-old me threw his leg over the motorcycle. He felt home. And still to this day, nothing feels quite right as riding with the wind in your face and two wheels on the ground below. It took me a while to finally venture over onto the road, but I'm glad that I did. After I got my license, I remember riding a whole variety of motorcycles. I rode all the metric brands. I rode the American brands. I rode adventure motorcycles. I rode sport bikes, scramblers, and of course, American cruisers. The first time I threw my leg over a Harley Davidson was the first time I could feel a machine living and breathing below me. I felt connected to the motorcycle in a way I hadn't before. The heartbeat of the V-twin loping, and the snarl as the throttle would wind open. At the beginning of this year, 2019, I purchased my first Harley Davidson motorcycle. A vivid black Sport Glide, fully stock, a blank canvas, a starting point on my Harley Davidson journey. I felt like a Marine in the movie Jarhead. There were many motorcycles like it, but this one is mine. And make it mine, I really have. This year, this bike has been with me every day on my commute to work, down to the bottom of the country, camping in the woods, and along the never-ending ocean roads of my hometown. The sense of freedom has never been so clear. In July of this year, 2019, I started this YouTube channel as a way to share my story of riding motorcycles and hopefully encourage others to do so. And there are many other amazing creators out there, but this one is my story. As a 26-year-old rider here in Australia, I think I have a unique perspective and something to bring to the conversation of the motorcycle industry and the future of Harley Davidson in particular. From one generation to the next, it's important that we come together and share our stories and keep the spirit of motorcycles alive. I want to take this time to thank all of you for watching these videos and for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for helping me achieve my first goal of 500 subscribers before we reached the year 2020. I know it may seem like a small feat, but I'm really happy that we've managed to achieve it together. The community that has been created here is nothing short of amazing. And I've already had so many of you reach out and invite me on incredible motorcycle rides with you and your friends, exploring your hometowns and the amazing roads in your area. So for that, I thank you so much, and I can't wait to take many of you up on those invitations. I'm so excited for what lies ahead in the new year, with so many new rides and adventures, new test rides on the horizon, and with new motorcycles entering the market as technology advances and the market demands more performance and more experience from the machines that we take out and explore the world on. I'm excited to share this journey with you and share my ideas and opinions as the industry continues to grow and this channel and our community grows with it. And as always, don't forget to ride safe, drink some damn fine coffee, have an amazing Christmas with your families, enjoy the new year, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, peace.